How to get verified on Instagram. Verification on Instagram, known as the blue badge or blue checkmark, is a symbol of verification and special recognition that Instagram provides to famous individuals, brands, or public figures to confirm the authenticity of their profiles. This blue badge helps users distinguish real profiles from fakes or copies. Did you know that you can also get verified, and it's completely free? Here's how you can do it. Access your Instagram profile. Select the 3 horizontal lines in the top corner. Choose the Settings and Privacy option. Scroll down until you find the Account Type and Tools section. In the Tools section, click on Request Verification to start the verification request process. The application for Instagram verification consists of 2 steps. The first step involves confirming authenticity. You need to add 1 to 2 identification documents for yourself or your business. Additionally, you must enter your username and full name. After selecting the document type, you need to add it by clicking on Add File. The second step is to confirm notability, which means you should confirm that you are a sufficiently recognizable or important public figure to deserve the blue verification badge next to your Instagram profile. Here, you will enter the category, country or region, and you can also add your audience and links. Once you've entered all the required information, click on Submit to complete your verification request. Keep in mind, even if your account is eligible for verification, submitting a request doesn't guarantee that your account will be verified. We hope this video will be helpful to you. Follow us for more tutorials.